Oh, Caleb here, I'm back. In today's video, our topic is about dividing fractions. Now there are 4 problems. Number 1. 1/4 divided by 3 over 8. Number 2. 8 divided by 2 over 5. Number 3. 3/4 divided by 1 and 1 over 8. Number 4. 1 and 1 over 4 divided by 7 over 10. Now let's move on to solving steps. Number 1. Make sure that both dividends and divisor are in fractional format. Fractional format means that it's like a fractional format, just like numerator and denominator. No mixed number, no whole number, just fraction. Numerator and denominator. Number 2. If necessary, convert first to its fractional equivalent. Now, if a fraction is not in its fractional format, then we have to convert it to its fractional equivalent. Number 3. Solve by using keep, change, and flip. Keep, change, and flip means keep the dividend, change the operation, and flip the divisor. Note, the reciprocal of a fraction is where the numerator and denominator are flipped. Example, 1/4. Now, 1/4. If you wanna turn this into its reciprocal, then you have to flip the numerator and the denominator. So 1/4. So the reciprocal of 1/4 becomes 4 over 1. It's just like flipped. Now let's solve number 1. Number 1 is 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 8. Now let's look at the solving steps. Number 1. Make sure that both dividends and divisor are in fractional format. Now, is 1/4 in fractional format? Yes, it is. Is 3 over 8 in fractional format? Yes, it is. Now, let's move on to number 2. If necessary, convert first to its fractional equivalent. Well, this is already in its fractional format. So, let's move on to number 3. Solve by using keep, change, and flip. Now, I will teach you how to use keep, change, and flip. So, I'll write keep here, change here, and then flip here. Now we keep the dividend, so this stays and becomes 1/4. Then we change the operation. What operation is this? It's division. So if we want to change division, what's the opposite of division? It's multiplication. So we put multiplication and we flip it. Remember how I taught you how to have the reciprocal of a fraction? Well, we just have to flip it. So 3/8 becomes 8 over 3. Now let's solve this now by using the cancellation technique, cross cancellation technique. Remember in my previous video where I taught you how to multiply fractions and there was 2 ways, the traditional way and the simplify first way? Well, let's use the simplify first way because it's the easiest way. And we're going to use the cancellation technique. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. Now, 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 3 is 3. Now, the answer for number 1 is 2 over 3. Now, let's erase it. Now, we're going to do number 2 now. So, we check number 1. Now let's do number 2. Now as you realize in number 2, there is a whole number in number 2. Now I'm going to teach you how to solve it with a whole number. This may be confusing because it's not in its fractional form. Now, number 1, make sure that both dividends and divisor are in their fractional format. Is this in this fractional format? No, it is not. Now let's read number 2. If necessary, convert first to its fractional equivalent. Now, we have to convert it to its fractional equivalent. Now to convert this in its fractional equivalent, we just have to put a denominator on 8. So this becomes 8 over 1, always 1. Like for example, 4. If you want to turn it into its fractional equivalent, it's 4 over 1. So 8 over 1 divided by 2 over 5. Now number 3, solve by using the keep, change, and flip. So we keep 8 over 1, and then change this into multiplication. Then we find the reciprocal of 2 over 5. Now let's do the cancellation technique again. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and 2 divided by 2 is 1. Now 4 times 5 is 20, and 1 times 1 is 1. Now 20 over 1 is also equal to 20. So the answer for number 2 is 20. So let's check that. 20. Now we're going to solve number 3. Now in number 3, there is a mixed number in it. And I will teach you how to solve with a mixed number. So 3/4 divided by 1 and 1 over 8. Now, let's read number 1. Make sure that both dividends and divisor are in fractional format. Is this in fractional format? Yes, it is. Is this in fractional format? No, it is not. Now let's convert it to its fractional equivalent. Now to convert a mixed number to its fractional equivalent, we have to multiply the denominator with the whole number, then we add by the numerator. So 8 times 1 is 8, and 8 plus 1 is 9. So it becomes 9 over 8, and we just keep the denominator. So 3/4 divided by 9 over 8. Now we're done converting this to its fractional format. Now let's do the keep, change, and flip. So we keep 3 over 4, then we multiply, then we flip it or find the reciprocal. Now let's do the cross cancellation technique. 8 divided by 4 is 2, and 4 divided by 4 is 1. Now 3 divided by 3 is 1, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. Now let's solve this now. So 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 3 is 3. So the answer for number 3 is 2/3. Now let's check that out. Now, like as I said, you are going to solve number 4 by yourself. Now, you may pause the video if you need more time, and you may resume to check if your answer is correct. Now, when I'm done erasing this, you may now tell me your answer. Is your answer 1 and 11 over 14? Then congratulations! You're absolutely correct. Wow, you really know how to divide fractions now. I have one more question. Why was the fraction afraid of division? Because it keeps on changing the rule and ends up upside down. See you guys in my next vlog.